Hey friends, welcome back. When working with an editor, it makes sense to know how to navigate within it properly. Using shortcuts and tricks makes you faster, and that's what we want. We want to get our work done efficiently. So when working with VI, it's not sufficient to just use the arrow keys. There are ways to move the cursor faster. So in this video, we want to have a look at how to move the cursor character by character in VI. So let's first open up VI. I have prepared a file containing lorem ipsum text. So let's open that up. VI lorem ipsum. I already added some intentional line breaks. We need that later on. So as I said already, you can move the cursor by using the arrow keys. But there are also other ways to do it. We can use the keys H, J, K and L. So H will move the cursor to the left, which we can't do at the moment obviously, but L will move it to the right. And if I now press H, it moves to the left. J moves the cursor down, one line, and K moves it up, one line. Here we have a jump, which looks a bit strange, but the reason is that this is one line, it's just wrapped. It looks like several lines, but it's really just one line. That's why I also have added the intentional line breaks, such that you can see it better and also see what happens and what are the limitations with moving the cursor character by character. If I go up now to the first line and move the cursor to the right, we will see that we cannot go to the next line by pressing L. We have to use J to move the cursor one line down. And also here we are at the end of the line, so we can use J again to move it down, and then we can continue until we are at the end of the line. And if we are at the end of the line, which is just a line wrap, it's not a real end of the line, you can see we can go there. But that's just because there's no line break here. You may ask yourself now, okay, what's the advantage of using H, J, K and L instead of the arrow keys? Well, the advantage is that you can multiply the cursor movements by using H, J, K and L. You can type a number followed by the key, and it will be as if you pressed the key X times. So if I now press a 4 and a L, I will move 4 characters to the right. It's the same with moving lines upwards. If I press a 2 and a K, we are up 2 lines. Remember, this is one line and also this whole block here is a line. That's why we ended up at the first line. So it's the same with moving 6 characters to the left. You can do it with any of these keys. Let's recap what we learned in this video. We learned that we can move the cursor using the keys H, J, K and L to move the cursor to the left, down, up and to the right. We need to be in command mode to use the keys H, J, K and L to navigate within the file. We learned that we cannot wrap around to the previous or to the next line using H and L. We have to use J or K to move to the previous line or to the next line. And we learned that character movements can be preceded by numbers to multiply the movements, like for example 2J to move 2 lines down. Okay, I think that's it for this video. I hope you learned something. Thank you for watching. See you next time. Bye.